In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a sales tax issue and how to reload that to the website for our software. So the thing to note is that the sales tax settings in RouteStar are only as up to date as your last sync with QuickBooks. So let's say you have invoices that you've sent to QuickBooks and those invoices are applying tax, but RouteStar Desktop or the mobile side are not applying sales tax. So the first thing is make sure you can get your sales tax working in QuickBooks for your customer and items. If you do have the sales tax working, then it's pretty easy fix for our software. All you have to do is click the Sync Mobile Devices button along the top here. And if you have QuickBooks Desktop, all you do is first you want to do it in this order. From the bottom, select Sales Tax and hit Reload. And that will pull the sales tax settings from QuickBooks. Now you also need to do two other things. So once you hit reload and that's done, you're going to get a pop-up that says it's complete. Click OK. Next, do update only inventory. So click this blue button that says update only inventory. Once that's complete, click the blue button that says update only customers. And once that's complete, any scenario has been covered. So if you've added new sales taxes, changed sales taxes, or anything like that, RouteStar will now have the newest sales tax information. Now you can double check this by going into any customer that has sales tax, and you can either go to the customer list right here. So if we go to customer info, customer list, you can double click the name listed in blue, or you can do as I just did, which was double click that customer name from any other screen if it's listed in blue. Now your indication that sales tax is going to be applied is right here. You have a sales tax code. My code was taxable for this customer. You should also see a sales tax item, and then you're going to see a sales tax rate. Now those three reloads that I told you to do from QuickBooks earlier should kick this in. So if you go verify the customer here, you're then going to be able to see taxes applying for the customer. Now the only other thing you need to know is that your items must also be marked as taxable for tax to apply. So both a customer and an item must be marked as taxable. You can check this by, first of all, you could check the QuickBooks side, make sure it's marked as taxable, but in RouteStar, those reloads should have kicked this in also. So if you go to inventory and then item list, you can then double click on any item. I'm going to click on item 1. And if you scroll down, there is a drop down here that tells you if the item's taxable. So as long as you see those sales tax settings under a customer, and see the item marked as taxable, you're good to go here. The last piece is going to be basically updating the mobile side. So if you have the mobile devices, you have one more step. You've got the desktop correct now. If you see all those sales tax settings under the customer, you'll be able to create an invoice, select any item that is marked as taxable, and you'll see the tax kick in. Now to get that to the mobile side, click the Sync Mobile Device button. From the drop down, do a sync of items. So select items, click the sync button. Once that's done, select customers, click the sync button. And once that's done, your website should also be updated. So you should see the tax kicking in everywhere. So that's the way that you add either new sales tax for new customers or codes and or adjust current sales tax settings for other customers. It's pretty much one of the most common things we get. So try this first. If this doesn't work, then jump to tech support, but this will work 99.9% of the time. Have a great day.